Okay, this is the new food dehydrator I just built. I built it out of redwood because I love redwood and it's easy to work with. Now here, what you do, this 2x4, you cut a 5-degree angle in it, okay? And what that'll do is once you put this on, it'll spread those lower legs 5 degrees and give you a lot more stability, okay? And it's basically just built out of 2x4s, okay? One brace in the middle, okay? And the bottom screen is just like this one, where you staple it down. Well, what you do is you staple this end, okay? You staple the long end, and then you roll out your screen, and then you come here and then you stretch it and staple this end, okay? And then you staple one end here, and then on the other side you stretch it, okay? You stretch it and staple it, and then you put a line of wood glue down the middle, and you cut these little thin strips and screw it down every, foot, whatever, it doesn't matter, okay? And the top, let me set this down for, oh wait. The top, you just have a narrow board and you put a little notch in the bottom and it rests in there. And on this side, okay, and then what you can do is you can put your cutting board right in this corner. Just put a cutting board here, cut your vegetables or whatever, and just scrape them in. Okay, this is the top. Just a couple of supports in the middle. And we got some parsley that's ready to be bagged. Some apples. But this gives you 32 square feet. I'm trying out celery. I got a bunch of ginger root. We planted some of it, but the rest I'm going to try to dry it. And then on the back you just have 3 hinges. So what you do is you build the base first, build this part, and then you put the board on top, then you build the cover on top, okay? So you'll know exactly what your dimensions are. This is just a 2x4 cut in half, so you get 2 out of a 2x4. I hope that's enough details on giving you guys enough information to build one of these. I glued everything. You glue it and screw it. I use drywall screws. I like square drive. Square drive, they're hard to find now. But anyway, there you go.